Greetings from the University of Florida Levin College of Law, where we're at the annual eDiscovery Conference. And it's our honor and pleasure to have a lawyer with us with a very unique practice, specializing in entertainment law. That, of course, is Janine Morris-Meggett. Janine, welcome to the conference.
Thank you for having me.
Janine was with Paramount for many years, and the very many networks that you had to work with there. Janine, why don't you give us some background a little bit on what you did at Paramount and what your firm does today, and how entertainment law is involved in the discovery?
Yes, well, I worked at Paramount for 14 years. I worked in litigation and discovery the entire time. So the networks include BET, VH1, MTV, Nickelodeon, Comedy Central, CBS. The list goes on and on. It's a legal necessity. So we dealt with matters including personal injury, breach of contract, PE, real estate, you name it. It's such a huge company. There was not a legal matter that we didn't have to touch except for criminal. So I did that for 14 years. I also ran some large scale reviews for, HR and compliance. That's what I was thinking about here.
Sure, yeah.
I love investigations. There's a difference between the two. There's an overlap. And so I started my own practice about 2 years ago now. And I pretty much married my love of discovery to my entertainment practice. So I do a lot of entertainment work that's transactional, where it is contracts, but I also do a lot of discovery work for these matters as well. So I have people bring me into the discovery side. So
Great. And you're licensed in New York and in Georgia. And we know that in Georgia, there has been a lot of work in getting entertainment business there. So two great jurisdictions.
Yeah.
Now, you've done a lot more than discovery. You do litigation work, as you mentioned, the HR work and investigations. You're right on that and how the two come together. Your session, tell us a little bit about what you did there.
So I discussed how you speed through investigations. Investigations are typically, this huge deficit with a matter in front of you with a little bit of time because there's some type of urgency, whether, like I said yesterday, there's someone being, suspended and you want to make sure they can get back to work, or there's a PR crisis. So time is always essence. So my subject is on getting through the data as quickly as possible, using all your tools and all of your inquisitive mindsets to get to where you need to be.
Janine Morris-Meggett, thank you so much for spending some time with us, and thank you for being a speaker here at the conference.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely.
Okay.